All right, everybody, it is Meatball coming at you through the airwaves, and I'm going to give you a little update here. So, Spectrum has been going well. I am finished with training. Yeah, there's been some challenges, there's been some successes. Yeah, getting to know the job, being able to work all over Southeast Wisconsin has been really cool so far. Being able to work with cable. Yeah, things I like about the job, it's every day. Every day is different. You have different kinds of jobs every single day. You get to meet a lot of different people, go a lot of different places, and being able to help fix people's internet is a really cool thing to be able to get involved with, because it's important to watch things like YouTube, Twitch, social media, TV, phone. That's all more essential now than it's ever been. I really appreciated getting to work with all the different mentors, trainers, and supervisors that I've been working with and it's been 4 months now. Yeah, training was 3 months long in total, and I've been strictly working in the field the past month. So yeah, it's been great. Yeah, there's lots of opportunities for me to grow at the company. I'm a really big fan of what I'm doing right now, and I'm excited to see what the future holds. For more Spectrum updates, like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to see more, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.